friends, today I am doing the unboxing of Aga Australia. I've got them from Victoria's Secret store online, and it's Aga ever, but I got it on Victoria's Secret page. So it came in the black and this one, and I took it out, and here is the box. Came kind of smashed here, but it's okay. And the model is called Ag Heather. I've got it in size 10, and it's in color coconut shell. UK 8, euro 41, Japan 27, and it's made in China. So let's open. First we've got this, which is a card. It says which material it is made from, and then here and then it comes with this. Here we are. Let's pose for thumbnail. Yeah. So this is the boots. They look like this. Come with this insert, and also they have another insert. One, how it looks. I really like this color. It's made from, so first this kind of sole, it's made from rubber. Here it has this Ag sign, and here it has trim all around boot, but not here. Here is, this part is made from leather, and it's like some kind of nice leather, and this is more like suede. And also here is the tongue, and these boots are kind of for winter, but maybe in between season too. They have inside this fur on the insole, and they also have here on the heel, but they don't have fur here. And this part looks green, I guess. It's some kind of fleece. And inside of the boat, this part, seems like doesn't have much of warming stuff, so this might be cold in the winter. It comes with those hooks for laces, not normal eyelets, but hooks. I don't know how to call it, but at least it's cute, and it has this kind of pull. That kind of is glued together here. I don't wanna destroy it. And also this boat has waterproof. It's waterproof. here it says, and I think it's really cute. I've got it from Victoria's Secret instead of Ag.com because I had rewards from Victoria's Secret, and I had also some gift card. That's why I've got it from Victoria's Secret instead of Ag Australia. And it says shaft lining is 50% from wool and 50% from polyester. And I guess drywall not. And this part is made from leather inside part. Yeah. And here. This is leather. And it has some wool inside on top. And inserts are not removable. Okay, I'll try it out. So here we are. Look guys, this is how they look like. Wow, a little bit big one. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Hope you will also hit notification bell to be notified when I upload. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.